Mohale crowned the biggest looter in South Africa. Mohale mocked torn trends on social media after some followers called him the biggest looter in South Africa. The country experienced one of the most shocking unrest, as there was continuous looting of valuable goods at malls over the past 1 week. Mohale, on the other hand, decided to post a cool snap of himself on Twitter, but some tweets felt he deserved to be called a looter due to the bad turnout of his marriage with Simphiwe. The couple has yet to publicly affirm that they've divorced, but all hints suggest that they are no longer together. Seeing how Mohale is living a soft life after a split with Simphiwe got people thinking he looted the media personality.